Hello beautiful viewers, in today's tutorial video I'll be taking you through how to buy base tokens using SushiSwap on MetaMask wallet. Let's get into it guys. You first of all open your MetaMask wallet and input your passcode. So after inputting your passcode, you add base network using chainlist.org. If you don't know how to do that, you could search for our video on how to use chainlist.org to learn. So after adding the network, you fund your wallet with some ETH base. If you don't know how to fund your wallet, there's a video on how to do that too. So after funding your wallet, you head to your in-app browser at the bottom of your screen. You click on it and type sushi.com. Sushi.com. Make sure the URL is correct guys and click on go. So guys, after typing that, you click on the enter app option at the top right of your screen. So you'll be taken to the swap interface. You then click on connect, which is at the top right of your screen, to connect your wallet. So you could see several options. So we'll be clicking on MetaMask since that's the wallet we're using. So let's click on connect. So after clicking on connect guys, you then click on the symbol beside connect wallet to choose the network of your choice. I'll be clicking on, you could see several networks, right? So I'll be clicking on base since we are buying a base token. So guys, after all this, you scroll down and make the swap. You could see that we have 0.0031 worth of ETH base, right? So next is for us to input the amount of ETH base we wish to swap for whatever base token we are purchasing. So I'll be buying $1 worth of the base token, 3.5. Okay, so guys, let's scroll down and click on this arrow beside USDC and paste the CA of the token you are purchasing on the bar right here, or you could search for the token's name. But guys, I'll actually be topping up my Brett bag. You could see that I already have 19 units of Brett token, right, which is equivalent to $1 worth. So I'll just click on Brett. So I've already inputted the amount of ETH base that I wish to swap for Brett guys. So, and I'll be getting more 19 units of Brett token. So all I have to do is click on swap to make the swap guys. You could see the price impact, the minimum received amount of Brett, the network fee, and the rest. So guys, let's click on swap. Swap ETH for Brett. Okay, yes, let's click on it. So let's click on confirm. Transaction submitted, waiting for confirmation. Swapping. Success. You sold 0.0035 ETH for 18.87 Brett. Transaction complete guys. You could see that we've successfully purchased 18 units worth of Brett guys. So let's head back to our wallet and see whether it's visible. Yeah, it's visible guys. In case the token you are purchasing isn't visible in your wallet, all you have to do is click on import tokens and click on custom token and then paste the token's contract address right here and scroll down and click on import guys. It's very simple. So after that, I'm very much sure that the token will be visible guys. You could see that my Brett token is visible already. Thank you for watching guys. I hope the video was helpful. Feel free to drop your questions or comments in the comment section, and don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye. See you in our next video.